ka muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng special ube pandesal with cheese. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step dito sa ating warm milk, ipapabloom natin yung yeast. Kailangan ang temperature nito is 110 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Then add natin yung 1 tablespoon of sugar, haluin lang natin, and leave it to bloom for 5 minutes. Then dito sa ating bowl, i-add na natin yung 2 tablespoon ng butter. And then yung 2 tablespoon ng sugar, yung salt. Gawa lang tayo ng well sa gitna. Ilalagay na natin yung 2 large eggs. Add na rin natin yung 2 tablespoon ng warm water. At yung ating 2 to 3 tablespoon ng ube flavoring. Then, yung ating pinabloom na yeast, i-add na natin. Nag-bubbles na siya. Add na rin natin. Then, we'll mix it using a spatula. After natin ma-mix using a spatula, i-transfer natin to dito sa clean worktop. At mag-start na tayo mag-knead. Ang pag-knead, kailangan ipe-press natin and push it away from you, yung dough. Kaya tayo nag-knead para mag-form ng gluten. Continue lang natin yung pag-push and press. Pagka ganitong sticky yung ating dough, mag-add lang kayo paunti-unti ng flour and then continue ang pagpe-press and push. Continue lang natin ang pag-knead for about 15 minutes. So, I've been kneading this dough for 15 minutes na. Makikita nyo, smooth na yung ating dough. To check, mag-pinch lang kayo ng small part. And then, hihilahin nyo. Kailangan hindi magbe-break yung dough. Ang tawag sa procedure na ito ay window pane test. This one is ready. Continue lang natin. At ifo-form natin yung dough into a bowl. Then, yung ating bowl, brushan nyo lang ng oil. And then, ilalagay natin yung dough facing down first and then up. Takpan lang natin to ng cling wrap or damp towel. And we will leave this to rise for a minimum of 1 hour hanggang mag-double its size. After 1 hour, nag-double na ang size ng ating dough, pwede na ito. Mag-dust lang tayo ng flour dito sa ating worktop. Transfer natin yung dough at i-press natin para matanggal yung air. Then, hahatiin natin to into 2 portions. Yung first portion, i-flatten lang uli natin. And then, i-roll natin ito. Make sure na tight yung pagkaka-roll nyo. And then, i-pinch nyo lang yung dulo to seal. Hatiin natin to into 8 equal portions. Kunin lang natin yung 1 piece. I-press lang natin yung gitna using our fingers. I-flatten lang natin. And kunin natin yung 1 cube ng cheese, lagay natin sa gitna. And then, isi-seal natin ito by pinching it. Roll it para mag-smoothen yung ilalim. And i-roll natin ito sa ating breadcrumbs. Make sure na well-coated ang ating dough. Transfer natin sa tray lined with parchment paper and continue lang natin hanggang matapos natin lahat. Nakagawa ako ng 16 pieces. Takpan lang natin to ng cling wrap. We'll leave this for another 40 minutes hanggang mag-double its size again. Sorry na, delete ko yung video nung after 40 minutes na nag-double its size na. But at this point, mag-preheat na kayo ng oven sa 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Ibibake natin to for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, luto na yung ating pandesal. I-transfer lang natin to sa cooling rack bago natin iserve. Mas masarap iserve ito ng mainit pa. And there you have it, our ube pandesal with cheese.
Sana magustuhan niyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ako po si Aling Oday. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Salamat! Bye!